2, 3. Okay, so in this video we're going to explain how we can find the velocity of our catapult using some data we collected launching them today. So we found that our distance is 6.1 meters, and our time, the time it took for it to reach the ground from the catapult was 1.2 seconds, and the angle that it was launched was 50 degrees. So with these, we're going to figure out the velocity. So right here we have the velocity, which is what we're trying to find. We have two components. We have the vertical velocity, the vertical component, and the horizontal component, which we're going to name the vertical component Vy and the horizontal component Vx. And so first we're going to solve for Vx so that we can solve for V. And so we have a formula here: distance equals velocity times time. So we're going to use this and plug in some of our points. So right now we have a distance of 6.1 meters equals our velocity, which is what we're trying to find, multiplied by our time, which is 1.2 seconds. And so if we solve for that, we divide by 1.2 seconds, divide by 1.2 seconds. I should plug that right into my calculator real quick. We get the horizontal velocity, or the horizontal component, is equal to we'll just round it up to 5.1 meters per second. And so with this, we can figure out the velocity because we have an angle here. And so the equation here is velocity equals the horizontal component, Vx, which we have right here, divided by cosine of theta. And theta is the angle that we found, which is 50 degrees. So we'll plug that in, and that is V equals 5.1 meters per second over cosine of 50 degrees, which we just plug that in here, get 5.1 divided by the cosine of 50, which we get V equals 7.9 meters per second. So this is the velocity of our catapult.